I clicked a suspicious link. Am I hacked? Clicked a suspicious link? Take a breath. You're not alone, and it doesn't automatically mean you've been hacked. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly what to do next to stay safe. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. They solve most issues right away. Quick actions. After clicking on a suspicious link, if you just clicked a suspicious link, start here. Close the web page immediately. Don't enter any information. Disconnect from Wi-Fi or turn on airplane mode. Run a security scan if prompted. These steps help prevent anything from spreading or continuing. What happens when you click a suspicious link? Clicking a suspicious link doesn't always mean you've been hacked. Some links just try to trick you into entering information. Others attempt to download malicious files. Many do nothing unless you interact further. The biggest risk is usually what happens after you click. Cause for concern. After clicking on a suspicious link, if you clicked a suspicious link, you should take it more seriously if you entered a password or personal info, something downloaded automatically. Your device starts acting strangely. In those cases, you'll want to act quickly. Actions after clicking on a suspicious link. Step 1. Secure your accounts. If you entered any information, secure your accounts right away. Change your passwords, especially email. Enable two-factor authentication. Log out of all active sessions. When securing your accounts, start with your email. It's the key to everything else. Step 2. Check your device. Next, check your device for anything unusual. Look for unknown apps or downloads. Run a built-in security scan. Update your device software. If something looks off, remove it. Step 3. Take extra steps if needed. If you're still concerned, remove suspicious browser extensions. Clear your browser data. Reset your device if necessary. These steps help eliminate deeper issues. Quick recap. Here's what to do if you clicked a suspicious link. Close the page immediately. Don't enter any information. Secure your accounts. Check your device. Take extra steps if needed. Acting quickly makes a big difference. Common mistake. One common mistake after clicking a suspicious link is panicking or doing nothing, such as ignoring the situation, not changing passwords, assuming it's too late. In most cases, quick action is enough to stay safe. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.